Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to prepare corn dog. I think this is one of the easiest cooking I have ever made. I already have a hot dog. You can see it is already dry padded. You have to dry out your hot dog with the paper towel so that it can stick to your batter. Okay, so I am using a skewer to pierce into the hot dog so that will form as a base, or the handle where you can hold the dog and dip it in the batter. Okay, so you do as much as you can. This time I had to cut my hot dog because I don't want it to be too long so that it can fit into my pot of oil. If you have a larger pot whereby it can fit the whole length of the hot dog, you can do that. But I divided mine in two, and as we go I'm still going to split it in a smaller sizes for the smaller kids. Okay guys, so you have to attach all your skewer in the hot dog. Put it very well. Make sure it's at the middle of the hot dog so that it's not going to fall apart. What I did was to cut the skewer in two so that it will not be that long. So I'm going to use pancake flour. Is already mixed, so all I needed to do was to add water. So I added water and one egg. I decided to add egg to it because I really want it to form very well. So I added water to mix the already pancake flour. You can use any choice of your flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but I decided to use already prepared pancake mix. Like you want to make pancake, this is what you can easily use. It's already prepared. So you have to mix it very well. I just added my egg. When you are doing this, please make sure the shell didn't fall into it. Be careful with that. Okay, so I have to mix the egg that I just added, mix it very well. So now I'm dipping the hot dog in the batter, and I have to fry it. As you're frying, you rotate it so that all the parts will be fried. If you have if your oil is really full, do it in a way that it will cover up your oil will cover up the batter. But if it doesn't, you have to use your hands to be rolling it around so that it can get in. I didn't get the review of how I was dipping it in the batter, but you can tell that you have to look for. You can pour your butter in a cup and try and cover everything with it. Dry your hot dog very well. If you don't dry it well, it's not going to stick. Make sure your hot dog is well dried so that the batter can stick on it. So this time I'm going to cut it little sizes so that I can make for the younger kids. These are the very small size for little babies, so they can easily grab it. You do the same thing. You dip it in the batter and you fry. You dip in and you fry. There's no need of putting it separately. As soon as you dip it in the batter, you put it in oil quickly. Instead of buying corn dog in the store, you can easily do this for your kids. It's very easy and they will enjoy it, they will like it, and you are sure of what you are giving them, because those ones in the store, you don't know how long it has been there. So this didn't take up to 15 minutes. You just prepare it, give it to your kids, and you see how it's coming out. It's very simple. So this is it that I have prepared, the a little big size and the smaller size, so your kids can enjoy and different varieties of food. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate every one of you that comes to watch my video. Please subscribe to me, like and share, and share to your friends and families. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. God bless you and have a beautiful day. Bye.